Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to make dark ambient hip-hop beat. So yeah, let's get started. I think the most important thing while making these beats is just get the drums right, and then in the background you wanna have some atmospheric chords. So in this style of music, less is more. So first let's choose a sub bass, because that's an important part obviously. This one's pretty good. I'm gonna experiment with few sounds and see what works the best, or maybe we just hit it on the first try. The tempo, I'm not sure what we're gonna go with, so let me just put it on 140 for now. And that's pretty good. Let's keep that there and let's start making the drums. Maybe up the tempo to 150. So this is the really simple hip-hop drum beat. And let's make it more interesting. I really want this snare to pierce through the mix, so we need something louder, or maybe we just put some effects on it. Let's see, let's put sausage fattener on it. So yeah, choosing the right samples, very important. So make sure you get some good sample packs. Check out my sample packs, link is in the description. We just changed the rhythm a little bit. Let's add it to the playlist and make unique. It will go like this. Yeah, that's pretty good. This sample as well. Yeah, that sounds better. And maybe lower this. Yeah, let's see how it sounds with the bass. Not bad so far, but I don't think it has the atmosphere that I imagined, so we might want to change it again, the bass. So this one, let's try this one. Okay, sounds good so far. Now let's add some hi-hats now. So let's just add them in and let's try a few things. Okay, this sounds pretty good. Let's actually put the stereo shaper on them and choose this preset, and also put reverb on them and just decrease the decay and the dryness, so they will be more in the background. And also for the hi-hats, let's go to note pan and let's pan them out a little bit so we have some variation there. Okay, now we got the drums pretty much figured out, and I was thinking what else we could add to the drums, and maybe some loops, so this one seems pretty good. Just like in the background, but let's make it slower. Yeah, I think that sounds pretty good. I mean, just gives it a little bit more atmosphere. And now we need some harmonies, some chords or melodies. And let's find an interesting sound. What's up with this bass? Doesn't sound right. I hate to say this, but let's change the bass completely, because I think the pitch of the bass is just kind of off. So we're gonna try something else. So let's use Serum, and let's just use a bass that I already have, like this hip hop. Okay, and let's quick legato and let's put it octave down. Let's see if this works. I think this bass works better, so let's see if we can find a sound that will complement it. Okay, so I'm using piano right now to figure out the melodies and chords I want to create, and then I'm gonna change the sound. Because with piano, it's easy to hear the composition and whether it works as far as harmonies go, and then we're just gonna change the sounds to something more interesting. So something like this, maybe. Okay, so let's keep this piano here and let's just try different sounds. So what I definitely want for this sound is to have a lot of reverb, because it has to be like atmospheric, so something with a lot of reverb. Let's actually copy the chords and try them on this sound. Okay, I think this could work. And I think we can also use the piano as well, but it just needs to be more of a different piano, so maybe something like this. Let's actually do a little trick and reverse this, so let's record it first. And now just take this and reverse it, but we need to cut it as well, so we don't get the chords mixed up in a different order. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, like this, right? So this just makes it way more interesting when it's reversed. And we can mix it with this as well. Sounds pretty interesting, and the last thing we need is the melody, so let's figure out what kind of sound would work for the melody, but first let's hear it without it. It's pretty good now. I'm starting to like it finally. Okay, so far so good. The only thing that's left for the most part is the melody. So let's do that now. Let's try using Serum. So it's all about the sound now. We gotta find something interesting. And I have no idea where. Actually, I do have an idea now. So this pack by Coda Sounds has some interesting sounds. So let me see. And let's see how it sounds with the melody. Not bad. Let's try a different sound, but remember this one, because it's definitely not a bad sound. It's just I'm not sure. Now what I feel is like we should change the melody actually. So let's keep the other one as well, just in case. But maybe we should go with something more simple. Yeah, I think this melody works better. And let's actually, I like this sound as well. It's like minimalistic, but let's try adding one more layer of sounds on top of that. So let's just go back here. And this is the one we had before. So maybe we can combine these two to create one better sound. So yeah, I think that works, and I think we got it. So this is pretty much it. So yeah, and after editing the melody, I made this little arrangement, and this is how the finished result sounds. Enjoy. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something new, and make sure to check out my new sample pack, which is all about old school hip hop. You might enjoy that. Link will be in the description. And if you are interested, check out my music. Link is also in the description. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.